So here's how to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. You'll simply need to open the browser and then search for Rockstar support. Now click on the first link for Rockstar Games customer support. Now click on account support. Now you will need to click Rockstar Games account and then account linking. And in here you can type NA for now and then select Rockstar Games Launcher. And then in the description you can use this text in here. So I hope this message finds you well. I'm waiting to request assistance with unlinking my Steam account from Rockstar account because the Steam has been lost or hacked and you no longer have access to it. And then as a result you would like to link a new Steam account to the Rockstar account and asking if they could help you with this process, linking your current Steam account. And then you'll need to send them the request and they will typically reply within 24 hours. Now before doing that, make sure you're logged in with your Rockstar account and they will reply to you an email. They might ask you for your Steam username, which is the one currently linked, and the Steam ID 64 and a picture of the Steam account that you want to link. So you'll simply need to send them a picture of either the account open or the profile page of the account that you want to link. And to obtain your username, you can simply click on the profile icon here on Steam, and under account details you should see your username. And for the ID 64 you can simply go to your Steam profile, copy this link here, and then go to the browser and type Steam ID 64. Now click on Steam ID Finder here. You can also go to steamidfinder.com and then paste your Steam profile link, click on search, and then let's wait for it. You can also go back and type your Steam username. For example, I'm going to type my username instead if the profile link does not work, and then click on search again. Maybe you'll need to use a different website. So I'm going to add my link in here. Steam ID Finder. Yeah, so this website works here, steamid.xyz. You just type your paste your profile link and then submit query. And here you can see your Steam ID 64. You'll simply need to select this and then copy it. And then go back to the Rockstar support. And then you will need to provide your Steam username, Steam ID 64, which is the one we copied right now. And then a picture of the Steam account or Steam profile open in a browser. And then submit the request to Rockstar. They will usually reply within 24 hours asking you if you want to proceed with the process of unlinking, and you will just simply need to confirm and then tell them that you understand that unlinking the account will prevent access to Rockstar Club and GTA Online and such things. And then you just submit the request and your account will be unlinked. And thank you guys for watching and subscribe.